Alright everyone, so let's talk about the numbers of good ways to split a string. So you're given a string S, and you want to find out the unique character based on the pointer. So this is pretty much the solution. So you have to split your string from here to the end, and for every single time, if you split the string right over here, right, you need to count the unique character of on the left side and on the right side. So this one, there are two unique characters, which is A and C. So two characters on the left and two characters on the right, right? A, B, A, right? The unique character is actually two, right? So this is pretty much the definition. So if you have this kind of split, if you split like this, the unique character is 1, the unique character is 3 on the right, right? So just basically just keep track of the count for the character, right? So the solution for this question is pretty straightforward. You are going to traverse the entire string to the inner array, and then basically we only store the lowercase, right? And then we traverse the entire string to the inner array, and then we also need another inner array to keep track of it. So I'm going to call this counting array R, and this is counting array L. So it's representing right side and left side. So when I traversing the first iteration, I'm going to add every character to the counting array R. So when I traversing again, so I will traversing 2 times, right? BA. So when I traversing again, I will have to increment my counting array L, but I will also decrement my counting array R at the same time. So I already have the frequency count inside my counting array, right? So basically I just have to keep track of the frequency from 1 to 26. Maybe, sorry, it's actually 0 to 25, right? So this is pretty much the solution. And let me start coding. So I have a counting array. I'm going to say count R equal to new in 26, count L equal to new in 26. I also need what? I also need the charge R, right? Equal to 0. Charge L equal to 0. And I also need to return a value when they are equal, right? When they do have the same length, I mean same characters, right? So I will have to return result. And then for the first iteration, see, it's a two-char array. So I'm going to increment my counting array R, right? So if the increment of counting array R, C minus A is actually equal to 1. So if that is a new character inside my counting array, right? I'm going to say, okay, the unique character in R, the right side is actually what? It's actually increment, right? You need to increment 1 character inside a counting array R, right? So if there are new character inside a counting array, I'm going to say, okay, there's a new character adding to a counting array. So this is actually represent the unique R, right? Be honest. And I'm going to traverse it again, right? So I do have to traverse it twice because the second for loop, the second for loop is going to increment the counting array L and decrement the counting array R, right? So this is going to be the same thing, but I'm going to say counting array L and this is counting array L, right? And this is going to be entire same thing. So I'm going to just copy and paste this one, but slightly different. I'm going to decrement this one and decrement the counting array R. And this is what? This is equal to 0. This is because when there is no frequency inside the counting array R, which means I don't have it on my right side, right? I don't have it on my right side. So for example, right over here, right? The C is on the right, the C, RC is actually equal to 1, right? But when you move your pointer to here, C will be equal to 0, and the left side of C is actually equal to 1, right? So you have to know when would it happen when the frequency count inside a counting array is actually equal to 0 or 1, right? And if they are the same, if CL is actually sparse R, right? If they are the same, which means they do have the same frequency count on the left side and on the right side. So you need to implement your results. So this is pretty much the solution. Right, submit. Alright, so let's talk about time and space. This is going to be a space. It should be all of 26. It doesn't matter you say constant, but I would say all of 26. And this is going to be time. All of n is length of the string, and this is all of n as well. So this is the solution, and I'll see you next time. Bye.